Welcome back to our channel. So guys, today we are going to create this sketch in Autocad. So it is basic tutorial for Autocad practice. So look how we create this sketch in Autocad. So first we create rectangle 140 and 140, and now again we fillet all corners 20 radius. Okay, then again we create bigger circle 120 diameter, and this one 32 diameter, this one 13 diameter. So first we create uh, for practice purpose. So go to the file, select here we this part. Okay, and now we enter the AutoCAD interface, and here we first create rectangle. So select click REC for rectangle. Now enter. Now here we select for first corner and make the length 140 mm. Okay, enter, and now we press tab and make it 140 mm. So here we create rectangle 140 mm to 140 mm. So here we make the fillet. First we drag to this UCS here. Okay, now here is time to make the fillet all corners of 20 radius. So we use fillet F for fillet, enter. Now here we select R for radius and select 20 mm. Okay, now here we just select this line. So here we apply the fillet again. Select enter for repeating command. Now again press enter for we repeating same feature. So select this one, again we press enter command, and now select this line and this line. So here we apply the all corner fillet of 20 radius. So again we make the circle. So first we create center line both side, make sure it is ortho mode on. Okay, now again select this line and we create line from here to here. Okay, now we go to the center diameter circle, select this one, select this point, and here we create circle of 13 diameter. So make it 13 diameter. Okay, now press enter. Again we select this center diameter circle, select this point and create the circle of 13 diameter. Okay, now here is time to make the mirror to this circle. So select first circle, second one, now enter, and here it will ask, so select this point to this point, enter, and here we select no. Okay, so here we create 4 circle. So again we select this center diameter circle, and here we make 120 diameter of circle. Okay, now again select this center diameter circle, select this one and make it 55 diameter. Okay, now we select this we first create offset of 38 mm. Select this line, make the offset here. Again we select this one, and now here we create circle from this intersection point. So select this midpoint, create circle here. So we again go to the circle, select this point and create circle. Here we make it 10 diameter. Okay, now again select circle, and here we select this point and make the circle 32 diameter. So again we make this circle this side also. So here we better to create mirror. So select both circle, press enter. Now here we select first point and second point, and here we select no. So we don't want to trim first part of a sketch. So again we create center diameter circle, select this midpoint intersection point, and here we create of 70 diameter. So select here tan radius, so select this point. Again we select this one tan feature, not radius, sorry. Okay, so here we use trim command, select this one and this one, and trim this sketch. Okay, now select this line and delete this. Okay, so again we use trim command, tr for trim, press enter, select this one trim this line. Okay, now trim this. Okay, so here we select this line, this one, and delete this. Okay, so here we delete this line. Now select this line and remove it. So we make it delete. Select this line, and here we make this one center line. So select load, and here we select, and here we change the scale 0.5. Okay, select this line, go to the properties, select this one. Okay, look, so here we change the color, yellow color. Okay, so again we make this dimension, so default diamond style, select this one, and here we select modify. Okay, and we select fit and make it 35. Okay, and make the unit precision 0. Select set current. Okay, close. So we make the dimension. So first we select linear, select this one, and this length will be 140 mm. Okay, now select this linear dimension, select this point, this one also 140. Okay, so again go here and select this radius, select this arc, and this 120 radius fillet. Okay, select this one 13 diameter. This circle is 120 diameter. The smaller circle is 10 diameter. This one also 10 diameter. This circle is 32 diameter. Okay, so here we dimension this sketch. So again we make this circular distance. So go here, select align, select this point and this point. This gap is 38 mm from this center point. Okay, select this point, this gap is 50 mm from this center point. So look how we dimension this sketch in Autocad. So again, so here we just forget to change the bigger circle into converted into